Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan with me, Erin Wells, and you read that title correctly. Let's make sweet and sour vegan ribs featuring Juicy Marbles. Let's get started. Alright y'all, so this is no secret. I am an affiliate of Juicy Marbles, so they did send me my latest shipment. If you would like to order, the link will be in the description box down below. Of course, use my code. My box is very beat up. I stand behind this product. I know that I am not a big mock meat person, but baby, this is so good. This is so good. I had to like stuff it in my freezer, so that's why the box is beat up, but don't worry about that. Worry about the product. I had to let my ribs thaw for about an hour, and I think they are ready, but first, let's make the sauce. Alright y'all, I looked at about 3 or 4 recipes for this, and none of them were the same, so we're gonna do our own thing, alright? Starting off with some rice vinegar. Let's do 4 tablespoons. 1 tablespoon of ground ginger, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Now this is supposed to be with Chinese cooking wine, y'all, but I still didn't go to the Asian store, so we're gonna use sherry wine as a substitute. Let's do 2 tablespoons, along with 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Remember, it's sweet and sour, okay? I got some frozen pre-crushed garlic from Publix, so let's use 1 tablespoon of this. It melted, y'all. I think it was supposed to be cubes, but it melted. It's been out for like 30 minutes. There you go. Finally, we're gonna add in a half a tablespoon of cornstarch. This is what's gonna give us a thick sauce. Let's whisk everything together. Alright, now let's go ahead and prep our ribs. And y'all, I know this does not look like anything, but baby, again, I have had these for years and I'm a fan for a reason, okay? Don't let the pre-cooked look fool you. It even comes with little vegan bones. I do believe you can eat these if they're cooked. I have not tried them. I have not tried them. I don't see myself eating a bone, amen? But yeah, alright, let's season these down, and then we're gonna lightly air fry before we toss them in that sauce. First things first, let's put a little grapeseed on here to coat. I'm gonna coat both sides. Some salt. Notice I did not put any salt in the sauce, so we're gonna put salt on our ribs. Some pepper. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know I do own some pork seasoning, but they don't need it. This don't need it. Juicy Marbles did their job, and it's already pork flavor in here, okay? It's not needed, but y'all know I put this on darn near everything. Alright y'all, let's go ahead and stick this in our air fryer. Alright, I'm not actually going to let it go for 18 minutes, but we will be back. Alright y'all, as you can see, what did it start off with, 18 minutes? As you can see, we have 10 minutes left. Let's go ahead and check on our ribs. Can y'all see that? Let's just grab a little piece. Just grab a little piece. That's gonna freak some of y'all out. I know. I get it. I do. It's gonna still get us a little taste, okay? Is it done? I don't know. It's vegan. Does it matter? It ain't no blood in here, okay? Some of y'all ain't gonna like that. That tastes like, now, oh my God, hold on. This is my 10th year being vegan on July 13th, y'all. So, I ain't had meat in a long time. However, from my memory, that's a good tasting, not meat. Okay, that's a good tasting, but it ain't meat. Oh, let me stop this. I'm sorry, air fryer. Again, I don't know if that's finished because it doesn't have air fryer instructions on the box. By the way, let me show y'all the box. I know somebody's wondering about nutrition. Hold on. Y'all go ahead and take a screenshot of that. Okay. If it's flipped, go ahead and reverse it. There you go. Boom. The instructions just say marinate or rub the spices, and you can bake in the oven, which I've done that before too. Delicious. I just wanted to air fry it because I have it. Okay. Alright y'all, let's go ahead and add our sauce to the pan. Don't mind this. This is just some spinach I'm cooking to go with our meal, and I also made some rice. Now let's add in our Juicy Marble ribs. Alright, well, I should have waited till that started boiling, so we'll be back after that really heat up. My bad y'all, my bad. I'm so eager. Okay, we back. Had to get this thing bubbling and cracking. As much as I don't want to, gotta break up these ribs. Okay, they're just breaking apart, baby. Y'all see the tenderism? Y'all see the tenderism? Oh, let me stop using this spoon. They're gonna talk about me in the group chat. Hold on. There we go. This can also be done in a wok, y'all. If you watch me on my live on Sunday, we threw away my last wok. So, gotta get a new one. Gotta get a new one. This soaked up all the sauce, baby. Soaked up all the sauce. I mean, fell off the bone. Tenderism. Alright, again, these are vegan. So all I'm gonna do is cover these up and turn off the stove for about 10 minutes and let them do their thing, okay? And we'll be back with the plating. All right, y'all, here we are 10 minutes later. Look at that glaze. Look at that. So we're going to plate it on up. By the way, this entire pan lasted me 3 days. Of course, I used the rest for meal prep. So that was also a bonus, and it was good every single day. Like, it never felt old or stale or anything like that. Now I'm going to sprinkle it with some sesame seeds because, you know, they don't eat it if you don't have no garnish. They're not going to eat it if you don't have no garnish. So, bam. Look at that. Let's eat, y'all. All right, y'all. Y'all saw it. Y'all see it? Ah! Okay. So we got rice, spinach, and our sweet and sour ribs. I'm so excited, y'all. Oh, I'm so excited. Why I got a spoon? I don't know. I have a spoon. Why do you have a spoon, Aaron? I got a little rice. Smile at it. Mind you, these would have been good with just seasoning. And then you put barbecue sauce on top, would have been bomb. But making your own sauce also just makes it just a flavor explosion, y'all. So good. Tenderism. Oh! Y'all gotta make this. Y'all gotta make this. Remember, we got a coupon for you in the description box down below. Oh. Bye, y'all. I'm gonna eat. Y'all, my bad. Yep, it's a few days later. I forgot to tell y'all bye. My bad. Let's do that now. As always, make sure you like, comment, subscribe down below, hype this video up, and I'll see you next time. Peace.